Hi guys, welcome back. We are so excited. Today we are here again with Chef James. We love what he does. He has heart, he has the skills, he's been cooking for 20 years. And my favorite part about him, that he walks across countries. In 2020, he literally walked from San Francisco to Washington, DC, walked across the country, cooking for people along the way. So I respect this guy, and he is about to make us something absolutely delicious. What are you making?
Okay, so we're gonna make a chocolate raspberry keto bark.
Thanks, yeah.
Yeah, let's just jump right into it. So what we're gonna do is melt down some coconut oil and melt this down. It's healthy, it's clean. The consistency is gonna depend on if you want thicker or like a thinner chocolate.
And while he's doing this, if you are new to our channel and you don't know anything about Keto Chow, let me just hype them up for a minute. We love Keto Chow, the company. They are a company that deeply cares about the quality of their ingredients. And the most amazing part about it is that the pictures match the taste. So you're getting 26 grams of protein, almost 0 carbs. It's so healthy, but it tastes as good as that picture looks. So I cannot wait to have what Chef James is making. It's gonna be so
and this
yummy.
is pretty simple to make too. You just have to melt down the coconut oil, and then we're going to blend that in together with the chocolate mix. So we're gonna go over here. So we're just melting down the coconut oil, and it's important that after it's melted that you don't throw it in right away. You let it cool down for a little bit, maybe 5 minutes. I always like to add the Keto Chow mix after, so that way you don't have the dry mixture inside on the bottom, so it gets fully incorporated. Let's chop up some raspberries and just crush these up a little bit, and then also do the same with the almonds. And you can use blueberries or what are blackberries? It's all keto friendly, right?
Oh yeah, antioxidants are so good.
Yeah, and you can replace it with different kinds of nuts. This is actually one of my favorite recipes with this chocolate mix right here.
The only thing you do need to be aware of for nuts is that if you do too much, there is actually a high fat content in nuts. So just be aware of how many you're eating. But man, they're so perfect for a treat like this.
Exactly.
James, are you passionate about healthy cooking? Is that like part of your mission with your cooking?
I do. I try to use clean ingredients and have kind of a balanced, view on food. I'm not one way or the other towards a carnivore diet or veganism or anything like that. I just think having a holistic, balanced amount of food is the best thing. When you're cooking with different ingredients, you pay attention to what your body wants, right? So we got the coconut oil melted down. We'll let this cool just for a few minutes. You want to make sure that you don't wait too long for this to cool down, otherwise it's going to solidify. And so just pay attention to that. You want to make sure that the oil and the mixture blend really well together so you don't get any clumps inside the chocolate bark. So now the oil consistency is right, so we'll go ahead and pour this right in. So now we'll add 1 scoop of the Keto Chow mix.
Ooh, sizzly.
There we go. So we'll blend this for a few minutes. Make sure it's really smooth so we don't get any of those clumps inside. We're gonna actually add a little bit more Keto Chow to it because it's a little runny. So it's not super runny, but it's a little thick. And we're gonna go ahead and pour it inside this pan.
Creamy, chocolatey. I can't handle it. I'm so excited.
So we'll just smooth it out a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and add raspberries inside. We'll sprinkle some sliced almonds in.
Love chopped nuts in anything. So yummy.
This is so good. This is such a great snack. And so we'll put this in the freezer for an hour, maybe 2 hours. And then here we go. This is the final product. Sprinkle some almonds on top, and there you have it.
Oh, this is perfect. I'm thinking this is like the perfect after school snack for kids. That's what I was thinking. Like they come in the house, it smells so good in here right now. It smells so chocolatey, but this is so healthy. This is completely healthy and beautiful to give your child right after school. I am so excited to eat this. Can we just dive right into this right now?
Absolutely, let's do it.
You kidding me?
These are so good.
It's like perfect. It's actually like really melty. It's like melting in my mouth. Oh my gosh, with the nuts, with the raspberries, but you're also getting so much protein in this delicious little snack.
And it's not too sweet.
It's not too sweet at all.
Because the saltiness from the mix and the raspberries go really well together. And you could even add some flake salt to this too.
That would be
perfect.
really yummy. Oh my gosh, James, you're amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
Such an easy, quick snack. Tons of protein, so healthy. There's nothing in this that's not healthy. Perfect for children, I think. An after-school snack would be ideal, but honestly, late night just for mama. I'm so happy about this right now. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Oh man, I love these kind of snacks.